Today we are to discuss the topic inverse trigonometric function and example 4.23. If a1, a2, a3 and so on an are in arithmetic progression with common difference d, prove that tan of this result is equal to an minus 1 divided by 1 plus a1 an. First let us take this value to find tan inverse of d by 1 plus a1 a2 is equal to, we have a formula in property 6. What is the formula? Tan inverse of a1 minus a2 divided by 1 plus a1 a2. Here d is what? D is a arithmetic progression of common difference d. Therefore d can be written as the term a2 minus a1, second term minus first term, here divided by 1 plus a1 a2, which is equal to tan inverse. Tan inverse of d can be written as a2 minus a1 divided by 1 plus a1 a2. We have a property, this is tan inverse of a2 minus tan inverse of a1. Already we know the property tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Property number 6. Okay, right. And let us take this value. Second value, tan inverse of d by 1 plus a2 a3. Here tan inverse of d can be written as the third term a3 minus a2 divided by 1 plus a2 a3, which is equal to, this can be written as by property 6, tan inverse of a3 minus tan inverse of a2. Similarly we can write this term tan inverse of and so on, tan inverse of d by 1 plus an minus 1, which is equal to, here tan inverse of d is the difference between last term and previous term, an minus an minus 1 divided by 1 plus an minus 1. Okay, this can be written as property by using the property 6, tan inverse of an minus tan inverse of an minus 1. Okay, similarly we can write this value and add these values. Tan inverse of d by 1 plus a1 a2 plus tan inverse of d by 1 plus a2 a3 plus and so on, plus tan inverse of d by 1 plus an minus 1. Add this value is equal to what? We have add these terms. What are the values? Here tan inverse a2 plus, here tan inverse a2 minus. So this term cancel, and the first term of each and every formula cancel. Okay, so the second term is here minus tan inverse a1. Here the last term cancel to the previous value, so this term will be here. So tan inverse of, all terms are cancelled, the remaining term only tan inverse of an minus tan inverse of a1. Okay, tan inverse of an minus tan inverse of a1. This can be written as tan inverse of an minus a1 divided by 1 plus an a1 or a1 an here, and this term is remaining here. Take tan inverse to that side, this tan inverse take to this side tan of. So now cancel the tan inverse term. So hence proved, because inside these term are inside. All of you write the term tan inverse of d by 1 plus a1 a2 plus tan inverse of d by 1 plus a2 a3 plus and so on plus tan inverse of d by 1 plus an minus 1 terms are inside. This tan inverse come to this side tan of. So hence proved. Okay, this is the proof. An minus a1 divided by 1 plus a1 an or an a1. Refer the sum. Now example 4.24. Solve tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x for x greater than 0. Let us take this sum. Tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. We have a formula by property 6. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. This is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula, property 6. Can be written as tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Here x is 1 and y is x. Okay, this is the formula. This is 1 by 2 tan inverse x. And minus tan inverse x goes to this side, 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. Here tan inverse 1 is there. Tan inverse 1. This is what? 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Because add these two terms, here 1 by 2 and here 1. Take tan inverse 2 common. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Here tan inverse 1 is what? The value is pi by 4. And 2 goes this side, numerator 2 pi divided by 3 into 4, 12 is equal to tan inverse x. Cancel these two terms, pi by 6 equal to tan inverse x. Tan to this side, tan pi by 6 equal to x. Therefore, tan pi by 6 value is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is the answer. Refer the sum. Example 4.25. Solve sin inverse x greater than cos inverse x. We know that domain of sin inverse x cos inverse x minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 1. Okay, right. And we want to solve this. Let us take sin inverse x greater than cos inverse x. And we want to add sin inverse x to both sides. Because sin inverse x plus sin inverse x greater than cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Add sin inverse x both sides. Because this formula is known as pi by 2. This is property number 5. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x greater than, which is equal to pi by 2. Here greater than, and the result of cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is pi by 2. Here 2 times of sin inverse x, and sin inverse x is greater than, take 2 this side, pi by 4, and sin inverse x greater than pi by 4 means we have to write x only here, and greater than, take sin inverse to this side, sin pi by 4. Sin inverse goes this side, sin of pi by 4, and x greater than, what is the value of sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2. X satisfies the value greater than 1 by root 2. Here the domain of x is minus 1 to plus 1. Here x value only satisfy 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. This is greater than value, so only greater than, so we could not take 1 by root 2 to 1. So the x satisfies only 1 by root 2 to 1 closed interval. 1 by root 2 is open interval, because we don't take 1 by root 2. X greater than 1 by root 2. That's why we have to write open interval 1 by root 2, comma 1. this is belongs to x value. Okay, this is the required value. Refer the sum. This is example 4.26. Show that cot sin inverse x equal to root of 1 minus x square by x. The limit minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and x not equal to 0 is a given condition. First let us take the LHS. Cot sin inverse x, and we want to take this value is cot theta, comma, where theta is equal to sin inverse x, where theta is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, because we replace sin inverse x by theta, so theta equal to sin inverse x, and sin inverse goes to this side, sin theta equal to x, sin theta equal to x, and we want to find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Root of 1 minus sin square theta. The value of sin square theta is x square. This is cos theta, and we want to find cot theta. Cot theta is equal to what? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Here we can write cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, and the cos theta value is what? Root of 1 minus x square divided by sin theta value is x. Hence RHS 1 minus root of 1 minus x square by x. This is LHS value. The limit is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, comma x not equal to 0. Hence prove. Refer the sum. Example 4.27. Solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4 if the condition is 6x square less than 1. We have a formula in property number 6. This is considered as tan inverse x. This is considered as y. So what are the formula? Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Here tan inverse x means what? X means 2x plus tan inverse of x plus y. Y means 3x divided by 1 minus x into y. X value is 2x and y value is 3x, which is equal to pi by 4. And take tan inverse to this side. Tan pi by 4. Okay. Here we want to add this term 5x divided by 1 minus 6x squared. Okay. Right. Here tan inverse pi by 4 is 1. And here 5x divided by 1 minus 6x squared. And take 1 minus 6x squared to this side. 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x squared. And now take these two terms to inside LHS side. Minus 6x square comes to plus 6x squared, and here plus 5x, and plus 1 comes to minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We want to factorize this. 6 into minus 1 minus 6, and this is 5. So what are the roots? 6, 1. 6 ones are 6, and we want to subtract this one. So here minus 1. Multiply 6 into minus 1 minus 6, and subtract this one. 6 minus 1 5. Here the leading coefficient is 6. So divide the two terms. 6 by 6 comma minus 1 by 6. So what are the factors? Here 1 comma minus 1 by 6. Therefore x plus 1 into x minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 comma x is equal to 1 by 6. These are the two values, but we want to satisfy the condition. If 6x squared less than 1, x is equal to minus 1. We give x equal to minus 1 to this one. Here 6 into minus 1 the whole square less than 1. Because 6 into minus 1 whole square is 1. So 6 less than 1, which is not possible. Which is not possible because 6 is greater than 1. But here 6 is less than 1. So not possible. and we take x is equal to 1 by 6. X is equal to 1 by 6. We apply the condition 6 into x square value is what? 1 by 6 the whole square, which is less than 1. 6 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Here 6 into 1 by 6 into 6. So cancel 1 6. So the answer is 1 by 6 less than 1, which is possible. 1 by 6 is 0.1 something. So it is possible. The value of x is 1 by 6 only. Refer the sum. 4.29. Solve cos of sin inverse of x by root of 1 plus x square is equal to sin of cot inverse 3 by 4. We want to solve the sum. First, let us simplify the LHS side. Here, sin inverse of x by root of 1 plus x square. We know the property number 9. Ninth property in our book. We want to know all 10 properties very well. So this is the 9th property. We know that sin inverse of x by root of 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square. This is direct formula. You can memorize the formula. This is property also. And let us take the RHS side. Want to simplify. This is LHS side. We have to simplify. And the RHS side, let us take. This is theta. Theta is equal to cot inverse of 3 by 4. Let theta is equal to cot inverse of 3 by 4. And take cot inverse to this side. Cot theta is equal to 3 by 4. And cos theta is equal to what? Or tan theta, first we can write. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, reciprocal of cot theta. And sin theta is the value of sin theta is equal to, you want to find. This is theta. Tan theta is what? Tan theta value is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 3 here. And this is the Pythagoras theorem. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. This is side c. This side can be written as b. This is a. A is what? A is 3 square. So 9 plus b square is what? B square is 16. Now the c square value is 25. C value is 5 only. Okay, right. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side is 4 and hypotenuse side is 5. This is the value of sin theta. Okay. Now we apply the sum. Cos of sin inverse of x divided by root of 1 plus x squared is equal to here sin of cot inverse of 3 by 4. Now cos of the sin inverse value can be written as cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared, which is equal to here sin cot inverse 3 by 4 can be written as theta, sin theta, and the sin theta value can be written as 4 by 5. Here we want to apply the property number 2. Cos inverse of theta is equal to theta, or cos inverse of x is equal to the x value only. Here x value is 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Simply we can understand cos into cos inverse cancel. Okay, right. This is 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to 4 by 5. Now cross multiply this. Here 5 is equal to 4 into root of 1 plus x square. And squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What is the value here? 5 square is 25 is equal to 4 square is 16, and the square root will be cancelled. 1 plus x square. Now 25 is equal to, multiply 16 to inside, 16 plus 16x square, and 25 minus 16 here is equal to 16x square. Now 25 minus 16 is 9. Here 16x square is there, so divide the 16 is equal to x square, 3 by 4. Here the value satisfied only x equal to plus or minus 3 by 4. Refer the sum.